Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best UV Mask Sterilizer is probably one of the most essential gadgets you can own in today's world, offering a powerful and convenient way to ensure your masks are thoroughly disinfected, eliminating harmful bacteria and viruses with advanced UVC light technology, providing peace of mind and a healthier environment for you and your loved ones, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining hygiene in our daily lives. Number 5. GROWNSY 4-in-1 UV Sanitizer and Dryer. Meet the ultimate solution for keeping your family's essentials clean and safe. This innovative device offers a comprehensive approach to hygiene for your home. It effectively eliminates 99.99% plus of germs from baby bottles and everyday items. Designed with your family's well-being as a top priority. Experience the convenience of 4 modes: auto, sanitize, dry, and storage. The 167 degrees Fahrenheit drying function ensures items are ready for immediate use after the cycle. This machine boasts a large capacity, capable of holding up to 12 baby bottles. It provides ample space without taking up too much room in your home. Its multipurpose design makes it ideal for various settings, from households and kitchens to beauty salons. It's perfect for sanitizing everything from baby products to personal items and electronics. Featuring a modern and efficient design, it includes a melt-blown filter for fresh air and a reflective inner wall for 360 degrees sanitization. Safety is ensured with an automatic pause when the lid is opened. What we like? This one offers multiple modes including sanitizing, drying, and storage. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for baby bottles and daily necessities, this is a great choice. Its large capacity and efficient sanitizing make it ideal for busy families. What people say? It has simple functions that a baby could figure out. It arrived in 2 days. I was surprised by how roomy and spacious it was. It's one thing to read the dimensions online, it's another when faced with this lovely, roomy container that's deep and wide enough to fit a variety of accoutrements. It even has a detachable wire shelf that fits in the top if desired to hold smaller items. Operation couldn't be simpler. There's an auto button that first dries, and then sterilizes, your items. You can choose to do either function separately, or you can store items in there as well. But a single dial is all you need to do to select these various functions. Super easy. Nothing to do to set it up, just plug and play. Number 4. UVC Sanitizer Box Ozone Free with Timer. Introducing our UVC Sanitizer Box, designed for your peace of mind. It effectively eliminates germs without using ozone, ensuring a safe environment for your essentials. This spacious cleaner bag offers ample room for your items, from masks to baby bottles. Its portable design makes it convenient to take anywhere you go. Equipped with a timer, this device makes sanitization simple and efficient. Just set the time and let it do the work for you. Stay powered up on the go with the integrated USB port. You can charge your devices while it sanitizes your belongings. Perfect for sanitizing a variety of items including cell phones, keys, and towels. Keep everything you use daily clean and hygienic. Utilizing advanced UV light technology, it provides effective sanitization without harmful ozone. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier space with this innovative solution. What we like? This portable option is ozone-free and features a convenient USB port. If you need a flexible sanitizing solution that you can take on the go for items like masks, phones, or keys, this is perfect for you. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. What people say? Easy to use and convenient way to sanitize small items like phones, keys, and glasses. The unit seems well made and works as expected. I love that I can choose between 5, 15, and 30 minutes to clean my CPAP equipment. Additionally, there is no waiting for hours to get ozone to safely dissipate. This box fits my hose, mask, frame, and water chamber all at the same time, and the UV light still manages to penetrate each of them during the sanitizing cycle. Number 3. SANSI UV Light Sanitizer Box. Introducing the SANSI UV Light Sanitizer Box, your solution for a cleaner environment. It utilizes advanced UVC LED chips for comprehensive sterilization. Achieve up to 99.99% cleanliness with its 360-degree reflective interior. This ensures every surface of your items is thoroughly sanitized. Clean your family's essentials in just 5 minutes. It's the fastest sanitizing box available, perfect for busy households. With a generous 5.1 L capacity, it can hold multiple items at once, including up to 6 baby bottles. It's a convenient alternative to steam cleaning. Operating it is effortless. Simply press the button to start the sanitization process, indicated by a blinking green light. This device is built to last with a 10,000-hour lifespan. It's quality and safety verified, offering peace of mind with a 2-year warranty. What we like? It boasts the fastest sanitizing time on the market, cleaning in just 5 minutes. If speed and efficiency are your top priorities, especially for a variety of household items like baby gear, toys, or phones, this is an excellent option. Its 360 degrees cleaning ensures thorough sanitization. What people say. The UV sterilization works effectively, killing germs and bacteria on masks. The compact and portable design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. It features a quick sterilization cycle, saving time and energy. Number 2. ForPro Professional Collection Premium Nail Tool Cleaning Machine. Discover the ForPro Premium UV Sanitizer, your ultimate solution for keeping beauty tools impeccably clean. It's designed to sanitize a variety of implements and towels. This advanced cleaning machine utilizes UV light to generate ozone, ensuring a thorough sanitization process. Its secure door design contains the ozone, guaranteeing effective and safe operation. Operating this sanitizer is incredibly simple with its straightforward power switch. Choose from preset timer options of 30, 60, or 90 minutes via the clear LED display for your convenience. Equipped with a built-in, long-lasting UV bulb, this sanitizer is ready for continuous use. Should you ever need a replacement, the bulb is designed for easy swapping. With a generous 9-liter capacity, it easily accommodates multiple items at once. This spacious design ensures all your tools receive adequate sanitization. Measuring 10.3 x 15W x 8.5D, it fits perfectly into any salon or spa setting. It also comes with 2 convenient racks for organized placement of items. What we like? With a generous 9-liter capacity, this unit is designed for professional use, sanitizing towels and implements. If you are a salon owner or a professional who needs to sanitize larger batches of tools or fabrics regularly, this is the ideal choice. Its timer options offer flexibility for different needs. What people say. Use this for extra sterilization measure at my esthetician studio. Love the auto shut-off settings. Pius 15 instruments a sterilizer y am cuidaba espacio. Para mí es la más sencilla rápida y segura forma de esterilizar mis instrumentos. Me encantaría que fuera un poco más grande pero aún así está perfecta. I wanted to get this to go in hand with my towel warmer. I wanted to make sure that my towels were as sterilized as possible before applying them to my face, or if I didn't want to do laundry after just one use I can throw them back in here to be sterilized. Turns out this is great for so many things. My hairbrushes, nail tools, and my breast pump items too. It's very easy compared to my other methods of using boiling water to try and clean my items. That can be so tedious versus just throwing items into my sterilizer, turning it to the right settings and just walking away. So much easier to use. With all the worry going around with sickness, I didn't want to chance it anymore with my baby. It's nice knowing they are getting top-of-the-line safe and effective sterilizing treatments done to their items to make sure they stay as healthy as possible. Number 1. UV Light Sanitizer for Smartphones. Discover a new level of clean for your most used device. This innovative sanitizer uses UV light to eliminate germs and bacteria. Simply place your smartphone inside and let the powerful UV light do the work. It's an easy way to ensure your phone is hygienic. Whether you use an iPhone or another smartphone, this device is designed to fit and sanitize it effectively. Keep all your devices clean. Its compact size makes it perfect for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. Maintain cleanliness wherever you go. Equipped with advanced UVC light technology, it provides a thorough and safe sanitization process. Experience peace of mind with every use. In today's world, keeping your phone clean is essential. This sanitizer offers a simple yet effective solution for your daily hygiene needs. What we like? This is a straightforward and compact sanitizer specifically designed for your smartphone. If your primary concern is keeping your most used device, your phone, germ-free with minimal fuss, this is the perfect fit. Its simple operation makes it incredibly easy to use daily. What people say. The UV sterilizer works great and is very effective at killing germs. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly on my countertop. It has multiple functions, including a timer and an auto shut-off feature, which are very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.